damaged side mirror for the repair. And in this side mirror, only bottom side of the cover or bottom side of the side mirror body has been damaged, so this one may not be repaired because this will be casting along with the side mirror body, so it needs for the complete replacement of the same. If the only cover of the side mirror will be damaged, then we can repair the same one, but body is damaged, so it could not be replaced by the anyone. It needs for the complete side mirror for the replacement in the vehicle.